Hey guys, what's up? Well, getting back to work on the duster today. Getting ready for that race. Gotta work on welding up these floors somebody decided to cut out years ago and never finished the job. So, yeah, I am not a welder. I am not doing a tutorial here. All I'm doing is showing progress on the car. I'm gonna throw some sparks. I know people like sparks and shit, so we're gonna do that, but let's get busy. Now you're about to see a rare thing. I call it fat man crawling into an A-body. It's not pretty. There's no pretty way to do it. Let's see. It's working. Woo, it'll be ugly. Well, guys, it's been a couple hours here. And yeah, don't look too close. My welds ain't great, but I think I'm done with that floor. All we're gonna have to do is a little bit of grinding. There may be a couple pinholes left, but you know, hey, what are you gonna do? It's a race car. Do some grinding. Do some vacuuming. Oh yeah. We're making progress now. This is stuff I've been wanting to do for months, but never had the equipment ready to do it. All right, well, we're gonna do a little unboxing here. We got a package from Jags. I'm guessing this is from my buddy Rob. Let's see what we got here. Oh. I'm not going to be able to hold this all the way out, I don't think. That is going on the wall. Damn it, it's slippery. Yes. Or just Jag. Hold on. Z. Now what's left on this welding project is grinding them down.